Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, I want to show y'all something, man. On the Robbins engine, if you had the battery positive and the battery negative backwards, it wouldn't fire at one time because it fired wrong. Now, this is an EZGO with the Kawasaki engine, the FJ400. And what's wrong? Crank it up, baby. And what's wrong, if you listen to it, when you let go of the gas, it's trying to run like it's dieseling. And the reason why, if you look at the battery, negative has got the hot wire for the solenoid, and the positive has got the ground wire. What on this engine here, it is a magneto type coil, so as long as the engine is rotating, it's firing until you let go of the gas, and then you give the relay a ground and it kills the fire. Well, in this case, you can't give it a ground because it's on the hot. So therefore, when you let go of the gas, it's not firing, man. So if you got one that's dieseling and you don't know what to do, man, this is just something, this is the first time I ever seen this. I just wanted to pass it on, man. You can see a brand new battery, somebody put it in. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. Watch another video, man. Let me know in the comments, man, if you've ever seen this before on the Kawasaki engine. Always watch another one of my videos. And remember, man, if you can't figure your golf cart out and you want to dial 843-595-1611 for a $45 charge, diagnostic, you get your golf cart fixed, man. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I always post on Saturdays and Mondays. Hey, hey, hey.